Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to review the power washer that we bought for about $60 on Amazon 2 years ago. Let's put it to work. All right, let's go. So this thing, you can adjust the nozzle to do a wide spread and a narrow spread. So let's go wide. Let's clear out the car. Should you buy a $50 electric plug-in power washer to wash your car? No, you shouldn't. But we got some other tests, so let's test these out. So these are my car mats. Let's give them a little upholstery cleaner and see if the power washer can do a good cleaning job there, okay? So we got some carpet cleaner. Let's see if we can clean my car mats. All right, let's see if the power washer can give us a nice rinse off of this. So they work great on the car mats. Next, let's take a look at some muddy, meshy shoes and see if we can get those yucky stains out. Should you buy a cheap pressure washer to clean your shoes? Yes. Last but not least, we got some Cobalt yard tools, and they look pretty muddy. Let's see if we can get them looking nice and clean. So this thing's really good for light work, but for washing cars, it sucks. So there you have it.